Amankwah, what's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? We told you to write a letter to us, explaining us and telling us the reason why you couldn't come to school. Huh? And why didn't you do that? What's wrong with you? You're not serious at all. I don't know why. What's wrong with this boy?
I wrote it, sir.
Is this a letter? Read to us right now. Read it to us right now. What's wrong with you?
You said write a letter to your teacher telling him, you're him or her, why I couldn't come to school.
Continue.
More fire.
Then I started like this. JC Community School. That is Japan Community School. P.O. Box 419.
More fire.
Somewhere in Ghana. Dot.
More fire.
Dear sir or madam, I am here to write to you why I am in school.
Jamko.
But they are telling me to write that I'm not in school. You see, some of the things in this school I don't understand. I wake up from bed, come to school for you to tell me to write about myself. While you know my parents. You were there when I was born and you always come to eat in our house.
Let's go.
I don't have a pet, but sometimes you tell me to write about my pet.
More fire.
Everyone in this community is a farmer, but you tell me to write about my future career. Whilst you know I will also be a farmer.
Come on.
Dear sir or madam, I think you are all confused in this life. See, you say education is the key, but there is no padlock in this life. What are we using the key for if there is no padlock?
More fire.
Do well and make sure you know the stronghold of each one of us. Then you will help us to develop on it.
That's it.
That is education.
Abba.
Sorry to end, but I'm in school. And I don't know why you are telling me that I'm not in school. I can't lie.
Yeah.
You're number one president. Take it or leave it.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Come on, let's go to the start right now.